According to the 1999 National Electrical Code, specifically Section 250.102c, an equipment bonding jumper is required when liquid-tight flexible metal conduit is used and there is a ground wire inside the conduit. The purpose of this equipment bonding jumper is to ensure a continuous electrical path between the equipment connected to the conduit and the ground wire. This continuous path provides a lower impedance path for fault currents. The equipment bonding jumper must be an insulated or bare copper wire with a cross-sectional area of at least the grounding conductor in the conduit. It needs to be connected to the equipment grounding terminal in the equipment at one end and to the ground wire in the conduit at the other end. The equipment bonding jumper must run the entire length of the conduit. There are several reasons for requiring the jumper. Firstly, liquid-tight flexible metal conduit is not considered a reliable grounding path on its own due to its flexibility and potential for damage. Secondly, the grounding conductor inside the conduit may not be in direct contact with the conduit throughout its length, creating a potential for high impedance grounding. Thirdly, the equipment bonding jumper provides an additional path for fault currents to reach the ground wire, reducing the risk of electrical accident. Understanding the role and proper installation of an equipment bonding jumper with liquid-tight flexible metal conduit is critical for electrical safety.